Hello and a warm welcome to the English Language Laboratory's Word of the Day series by TELLS Videtionary. In this series, we pick a new English word every day, provide the correct spelling of the word telling you how many alphabets make up the word, find which part of speech the word falls into, explain its meaning, look for any similar words where possible and finally explore how it could be used in a sentence. Do you have a word collection? How many words have you collected? Are you having difficulties understanding English words? Confused about how to use words in a sentence? Or do you just want to refresh your English vocabulary? Then join us and learn in a fun and easy way. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. We'd love to hear from you, so make sure you leave a comment after every video. All comments are welcome. Now let's dive into the video. Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 3rd, our word of the day is muffle. M-U-F-F-L-E. Muffle. Muffle is a 6-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Muffle means to make a sound quieter and less clear. It also means to wear thick warm clothes in order to keep warm. Similar words include mute, tone down, dampen, dull, wrap, wrap up, swathe, swaddle. Examples of sentences using muffle are: the house has double glazed windows to muffle the noise of aircraft. I was up past my bedtime, so I tried to muffle my sneeze by holding my pillow over my face. You'd better muffle up, it's cold outside. Muffle up, boys. We need quiet here. I was muffled up against the cold in a scarf and hat. Blake held his handkerchief over the mouthpiece to muffle his voice. Make sure to save this new word, muffle, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.